Hi guys. This is how we're going to do part 2 using Google Earth. So I'm open to our using Google Earth page and let's read the instructions. So please watch the video before attempting the assignment. Look up the following countries, these countries, using Google Earth. Then write down number 1, the coordinates, number 2, the city synopsis, and number 3, add 1 point of interest. And I'm going to show you where to find all 3 of these things. Okay, so Cairo, Egypt is our first location. We're going to click on Google Earth. It's going to take us here. You shouldn't have any problems going to Google Earth. You're going to click on Launch Earth. So once Google Earth launches, we're going to go over here to the search icon and we're going to put in our first country, Cairo, Egypt. Type it all out. It'll probably pop up just like it did. Actually, I want to show you guys something really cool. This is not a lot pertaining to the assignment, but this is very much physical geography. Look at how green this whole area is right here. This is an area of lowland, and the river is running through here. So it shows you agriculture. This is very green. And then we have the desert. Okay, so continuing on. I put my cursor right over Cairo and I have my coordinates in the bottom right corner. I'm going to move my cursor and show you. You can see that the numbers are changing as I'm moving my cursor, but these are the coordinates that you're going to want. Put your cursor over the pen drop. The pen drop is this little red location icon. And you'll see in the bottom corner, you'll see 30 degrees, 8 minutes and 25 seconds north, 31 degrees, 13 minutes and 40 seconds east. Those are the coordinates you're going to put down for number 1, Cairo, Egypt. Those are your coordinates down here in the corner. Then you're going to come over here to the little box. You're going to click on more info and it's going to give you the city synopsis. That's your number 2 that you got to do. This is your city synopsis right here. It gives you a brief overview of Cairo. So you can copy and paste it, type it out. This is my assurance that you actually used Google Earth and that you looked it up using Google Earth and you checked it out. Then a point of interest. You don't need to put all these, just pick one that you like. So if you were to go to Cairo and you wanted to visit the Egyptian Museum, then that's your third point. That's it. So you'd put the coordinates, you add the little synopsis, and then your point of interest would be the Egyptian Museum. Number 1 is done, just like that. Okay, let's try one more. Lima, Peru. Okay, now let's go. Let's go to Lima. Takes us straight to South America. Again, here, let's zoom out. Did you see that? The Amazon? Look at how green it is. The world's driest desert is located here. And you have a massive mountain range here, huge mountains, and the Amazon, all green, fertile land. Okay, so Lima, that's our next location. You're gonna put your cursor over the pen drop. You're gonna get your coordinates here. 11 degrees, 59 minutes, and 24 seconds south. Even if you have 12, you see how I just moved it a little bit? As long as you're in the ballpark, you're good. If you're way off, nah, something's wrong. So make sure you're in the general vicinity with your cursor. Write down the coordinates here in the right-hand corner. That's your coordinates. Then remember, you're going to go to the box here. Click on more info for the city synopsis. Lima, the capital of Peru, lies on the country's arid Pacific coast. Remember the desert I was showing you? Though its colonial center is preserved, it's a bustling metropolis and one of South America's largest cities. It's home to Museo Larco collection of pre-Columbian art and the Museo de la Nación, tracing the history of Peru's ancient civilizations. Okay, so copy paste, type it out, pick a place that you would like to check out someday, a point of interest. Pick any one of these. Don't put more than one, just put one. Okay, but there is a lot. All right, and that is how you're going to complete this part of the assignment. Okay, so email me if you guys have any questions. Bye.